Hello friends, my name is Mukesh Baitana. As we have seen completed till lesson number 7 in Sanskrit, now lesson number 8, Kasayanam ko aprada. Kasayanam ko aprada. What is the fault of the saffron cloths? The title of the lesson. What is the fault of the saffron colors or saffron cloths? Kaka Saheb Kalelkar walked with Mahatma Gandhi for a long time and had the opportunity to stay with him. Kaka Saheb Kalelkar, as you know, writer, who got a chance to work with Mahatma Gandhi ji, an opportunity to stay with him, to travel with him and to exchange ideas with him. He travelled with him, he exchanged his idea with him. Of the many incidents of this period, Kaka Saheb Kalelkar has, because of his literary prowess, given aesthetic form to many of them. He was a writer, and that is why naturally he wrote many things. Of these, many provide us with inspiration even today. Among them, there are many incidents which provide inspiration today also. One such interesting incident, which was written by Kaka Saheb Kalelkar in Gujarati, has been translated into simple Sanskrit, edited and presented here as a lesson. As you know, he was a Gujarati writer. His contribution higher in Gujarati writing, and this particular, from this here, Gujarati to Sanskrit translation is given in simple language. The main moral of this story is that one should not allow one's position to become an obstacle in the process of social service. The theme of the lesson, the main moral of the lesson, one should not allow one's position to become an obstacle in the process of social service. Moreover, all of us should also realize that there is no permanent relationship between religion and attire. There is no relationship between religion and attire. Attire means clothes which we wear. The main theme is this, the main moral of this story. First, one position should not become obstacle in the process of social service, and all of us should realize that there is no permanent relationship between religion and attire, means clothes. By wearing that type of cloth we can perform the service. It is not good according to Gandhi. By wearing any cloths, saffron cloth not compulsory to provide service. By wearing any cloth you can provide service. According to him, there is no relationship between attire, clothes and religion. Now see, Mahatma Gandhi Mahodayah, see the translation, Swatantra Andolasya Prarabhatah. Mahatma Gandhi, who started freedom movement, Asya Andolanasya Nikhilo api Vyavara Prarabheshu Divseshu Sabarmati Ashrame eva Pratlatah. And all dealings about this particular movement doing from at Sabarmati Ashram in Ahmedabad. Eksmin divse Swami Satyadev Ashramam agachatah. One day Swami Satyadev came to ashram and स देशस्य स्वतंत्रता कार्यरतस्य गांधी महोदयस्य कार्येण अतीव प्रभावित प्रसन्नः चासीत्. And Swami Satyadev observed this, attracted towards the work done by the Gandhiji and become pleased. Sa Gandhi Mahodaya katham aham Bhavata ashrame pravesham nivasam cha ichhami. And he told to Gandhiji, I wanted to stay here देशस्य स्वतंत्रताये कार्य कर्तु ममापि महती इच्छा vartate, and said, I also want to walk for the movement. Swami Satyadev, after seeing the work of Gandhiji at Sabarmati Ashram, told Gandhiji that I want to stay here and I want to take part in freedom movement. He told his desire is like this, that he want to take part in freedom movement. See next. सत्यदेवस्य प्रस्तावन गांधी महोदय स्वीकृतवान्. Gandhiji accepted Satyadeva's proposal. Gandhi Mahoday akatyat, and Gandhiji said, Kat means tell, akatyat past tense, he told, Sadhu swagatam atra bhavata. Well, you are welcome here. What Gandhiji said, Sadhu means good. Swagatam atra bhavata. You are welcome here. Ashramo ayam bhavatah eva. In our ashram. Kintu ashram praveshat purve, but before you enter in the ashram, bhavata kasai vastranam tyaga karaniya. You should leave these saffron cloth before entering in the ashram. Gandhiji said this word to Satyadev because Satyadev wore saffron cloths. That is why Gandhi said, you are welcome. This is your ashram, but you have to take out these saffron cloth, and then you can enter in ashram. Gandhiji said this word to Swami Satyadev. Gandhi Mahodasya Adesham Shrutva Ascharyanvitah Swami Satyadev Mansi Akupyatah. After listening order of Gandhiji, Swami Satyadev surprised and become angry. Mansi akupyatah, mansi that you know with mind, akupyatah become angry in his mind. After listening Gandhiji's order that you should enter in the ashram after leaving, giving or taking out these saffron cloths. Listening this order, Swami Satyadev become angry in his mind. Kintu sa Gandhi Mahodasya puratah nij rosam na prakatiyatah. But he did not show his anger in front of Gandhiji. He did not show his anger in front of Gandhiji. So akatyat katham kasai vastranam tyagah. So he said, why should I leave saffron cloths? Kasa vastranam ko apradaha. What is the fault of the saffron cloths? Aham sannyasiha. I am saint. Sannyasin kasai vastrani paridayanti. And saint can wear saffron cloths. Aham kasai vastranam tyaga kartu katham pravruto bhavami. I wearing saffron cloths and do the activity, work with you. What is the fault of the saffron cloth so that you are telling like this that you should leave these saffron cloths? By wearing saffron cloth I can do the work, perform the work. Swami Satyadevasya Vachanam Shrutva Sant Swaren Gandhi Mahodaya Akatyatah. After listening words of Swami Satyadev, Gandhiji said with attentive mind, peacefully, what says? Bhavata yaduktam tats satyam asti. What says? What you said, that is correct. Kintu, but bhavan sannyasita tagam karutu iti na mamasayah. I am not telling that you just leave your world or just saintship. That is not my intention. Keval kasai vastranam tyagam kartu vadami. I am telling you to leave saffron cloths. I am not telling that you stop good work. You should keep it continue, but I am telling that you should leave these saffron cloths. गांधी महोदयस्य कथन तात्पर्यं जानन् सत्यदेव विचार मुद्रायां स्थितः. After listening these words from Gandhiji, he remained mute. Maun Chavalam Ativan, and remained mute after listening the words of Gandhiji, that I am not telling you to leave the good saintship, but I am telling you to leave the saffron cloths. तस्य तादृशी मनोदशाम अवगम्य गांधी महोदय स्वकीयम आशम स्पष्ट कर्तु शांत भावे मृदु भाष्या च सत्यदेवाय कथयतः. आफ्टर सीइंग द सिचुएशंस ऑफ स्वामी सत्यदेव, Gandhiji told him in detail with attentive and simple language and attentive mind what he said. See, Shrunato Bhavan, listen you, Savdanen Mansa, with attentive mind. Gandhiji said to Satyadev. When Satyadev was in confusion after listening the words of Gandhiji, Gandhiji realized that he was confused, so he cleared the meaning and telling, listen with attentive mind. Vayam anyesam sevam kartutu pravritasma. We are coming for doing another person's service. Etat eva asmakam jayam asti. That is only our aim. What Gandhiji said to Satyadev, listen with attentive mind. We are coming out from provide service to the people. That is our only aim. भवान जानात्येव यदस्माकं देशे जनाः काषाय वस्त्रान् सन्यासीं सेवा कर्तु सदैव समुत्सुकाः. And further said that in our country, you know that people come to provide service to the saint. If you wear saffron cloths, people will not take help of you, but people will provide you help instead of taking. सेवा कर्तु, providing service to you. Sadev samuskaraha bhavanti. And as you know, we know everything, that people worship the persons who has worn saffron cloth. People respected the person who has saffron cloth, and people will help the person who has worn saffron cloths. And our aim is to provide service to people, not taking service from the people, not taking help from the people, but we should help the people. यदा भवान सेवा कार्यं प्रवृत्तः भविष्यति तदा काषाय वस्त्रान् धारणं भवतं दृष्ट्वा एकतः ते भवतः सेवा कार्यं न अंगीकरिष्यन्ति. And if you provide service to the people, they will not accept your service, because you have if you wear saffron cloth, then people will not take help from you, people will help you. अपरतः ते भवत सेवा कर्तु प्रवृत्ता भविष्यन्ति. And they started doing service to you, providing help to you. अनेम किस्माकं देशस्य हानि न भविष्यति. And in this way it should not be happen in our matter, because we are coming out to help to the people, not taking help but giving. If you wear saffron cloth, then people will help you instead of taking. That is not good at all, and we should not do that type of work. Sanyatam astu manogata sankalp eva. You are decided that you are doing good work, saint work. Tasya paridhanen sah sabandha kayapi drashtiya na yogyah. And it is not good to wear saffron cloths and providing help to the people. Aham nishchitam manye yat kasa vastrayam tyagena sannyas tyaga neva bhavishyati. I firmly believe that you leave the saffron cloth, that doesn't mean you are living good work. अतः विचार्यतु भवान तदंतरम यथा योग्यम तत्करोतु. First listen this, think about this, and then do the proper thing. Gandhi Mahodasya etadas vachanam shrutva. After listening these words of Gandhiji, सत स्वामी सत्यदेव संचय तस्मिनेव क्षणे व्यपगतः. He decided to join. सः कासावस्त्रं त्यागं कृत्वा सेवाकार्ये आत्मानं योजितुं सन्नद्धो. And he left his saffron cloth and started working in this particular or for this movement. Clear? So these best lessons that your aim should be there. By wearing clothes nobody can do it properly. Now see the glossary. See, Nij Rosaha, self-anger. Aparadaha means fault. Sankalpaha, determination, intention. Vichar mudra, thoughtful posture. Manodasa, mental state. Hani means loss. Andolan, that you know, movement. Kasa vastram, saffron cloths. The cloth worn by the sannyasi. Maunam means silence. Dhyayam means aim. X mean in one. Bhavataha, your. Anyasam, of others. Asmakam means our, and Bhavantam means to you. Adjective you see, Nikhilaha means all, complete. Karyarataha, engrossed in work. Prasanna, happy, joyful. Mahati means great, big. Swakiya, one's own. Manogataha, remaining in mind. Sanadaha, ready, fully. Ati means very much. Sadhu means well. Ekataha, on one side. Aparataha, on other side. See, compound you see. Swatantra Andolanam, Swatantrasya Andolanam. Sasti Tatpurush, Karyarat Eva, Saptami, Karyata Eva, Ashram Pravesat, Ashramasya Pravesat, who enter in the ashram. Sasti Tatpurush. Nij Rosam, Nijasya Ros. Katmat Paryam, Kathana Tatparyam, that is 6 Tatpurush compound. Vichar Muddayam, Vicharasya Mudra, in a thinkful situation, that is also 6. Manodasam, that is also 6. Seva Karyaha, that is also 6. Manogataha, Manaha Gataha, Tatpurush. Sannyas Tyagaha, Sannyasya Tyagaha, when you leave the particular post, that is also Sasti Tatpurush. Participle and root, that we will see later on. Now notes you see meaning, very important on next page. Meaning that you have to prepare will be asked. Prabhavitaha means is impressed. Prasanna, happy, pleased. Prastavam, to approval. Suggestion, Swikrutvan, has accepted. Karniya means should be done. Astarya Vanchit, one who is astonished. Mansi means in mind. Mama Asayaha, my intention. Mansi means in mind. Na Aprakatya, did not reveal. Sannyasi Janaha, sannyasis, mendicants. Paridaryanti, wear. San means bin. Mama Asaya, my intention. Mama means my, and Asaya means intention. Ajananaha, not knowing. Strange persons. Maunam, avlambitvan, remain silent, not speaking word. Pravrutasmaha, we have become ready. Samutsuka, eager. Alert, na angikarishanti, will not accept. Paridhanen saw, with clothes, attire. Kayapi drashtva, in any way. Vicharyatu bhavan, you keep thinking. Tadantaram, thereafter, later on, Vyapgataha, went away. Sandhi you see, Asya Andolanasya, Asya plus Andolanasya, this movement, Nikhilo api, Nikhila plus api, whole world, Gandhi Mahodaya, Daya Akathyat Aham. I am telling to Gandhi Mahodaya, Mama api, Mama plus api. my also. महती इच्छा, महती प्लस इच्छा, न प्रकट्यत, न प्लस अप्रकट्यत, प्रवृत्तो मीन्स भवामी, प्रवृत्तः भवामी, एत देवा अस्माकम, एतत् एव अस्माकम, जाना त्यागेन जानाति एव, संसामस्तु संन्यास, संन्यासतु, एंड यत यद्योग्यम, यत प्लस योग्यम. These are the words which sandhi. Now see exercise MCQ. स्वातंत्र्य आंदोलनस्य व्यवहार आरम्भते कुत्र अभवत् प्राचलयतः. From where the dealings of the freedom movement start? From Sabarmati Ashram, Vardha Ashram, Dandi Samipe, Paladi Grame. From, as we have seen, Sabarmati Ashrame. So correct answer A, Sabarmati Ashrame. Number 2, गांधी महोदय से कारण क प्रभावित प्रश्न चाहसे. Who become happy, pleased after seeing Gandhiji's work? As you know, Satyadev, Mahadev, Nipun Swami and Jawaharlal. Satyadev only came and became happy, so A, Satyadev. गांधी महोदय से पुरत किम कर्तु सत्यदेव समर्थ न अभवतः. In front of Gandhiji, what did Swami Satyadev not show? Swami Satyadev didn't show his anger in the presence of Gandhiji. So Rosam Prakatiyutam, B, second one. Rosam Prakatiyitum. Number 4. Satyadevasya vachanam shrutva Gandhi Mohoday katham avadat. After listening Satyadev's lectures, what did Gandhiji say? How did say it? Sant swared, by attentive mind or with peaceful voice. Next, number 5. Sannyasa kidasa sankalp vartate. What type of decision saint is? Mananiya, Mahogataha, Manogatah or Kasai Paridanasya. Correct answer, that is Manogatah, that is the thinking of our mind. That is the thinking of our mind. Keeping till here, write one time and read 3 times. This, prepare MCQ properly and read the lessons. Okay, this brings the end of this lecture. Question answer we will see in next lecture. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day.